Hello, guys. I want to talk about couple incidents or couple stories that I've heard from my clients. I had a client that was a young person in his 40s that got a policy from me, and he went to visit his doctor. And his doctor has mentioned to him that he had a minor heart attack last night. It was so small that he didn't even realize that actually happening to him. And because of that, he was able to submit a claim to the insurance policy, and they were able to issue him 90% of the face value or the death benefit. He had a life policy that he purchased from me. So that person was able to get enough money to make his mortgage payment for the next 2.5 years, and also pay for all utilities, car payment, and so on and so forth. Basically, just keep everything afloat while he was able to get back on his feet. So I say this to illustrate one thing. Life insurance is actually designed to work for you while you're alive. It's called life insurance for a reason. It has living benefits. You don't have to die to use it. And also, one thing I want to mention that's very, very important, it's guaranteed. There's nothing out there that gives you a guarantee, and it's tax-free. If you're interested, please fill out the form below, and I'll reach out to you. Best of luck.